Wait until I'm on a break. So it looks like we got an injured player on the field. They'll check them out. All right, injured player is taken off the field. We'll check on him a little bit later on. Second down at about 13 here for the Hurricanes. Takes the snap. Broken play, but he finds a player to hand off to. Number 9, he'll go to the far side. Cuts back inside. Now he'll try to reverse the field. He's got a blocker in front of him. Now he'll cut back to the outside. Looking for some space, and he's going to get wrapped up. And finally taken down for basically a loss of yardage. Number 9 on the carry, Danye Kirk. That's going to bring up third down. We'll call it third and about 15 now. Takes a snap. And he'll go to the far side and gets a lot of those yards back, but it's going to bring up fourth down here for the Hurricanes. Timeout on the field. Keep it here. We'll be right back here on Typer Radio. Game Day Films is a one-stop photography and filming shop for coaches, athletes, and families. From technology coaches need to teach their young athletes to the video parents will love to share. Game Day Films take care of it all. They love what they do and do what they love. Game Day Films is a proud partner of the Texas Youth Football and Cheer Association. Contact Game Day Films for booking and information at 713-430-6636 or by email at info@gamedayfilms.com. HitCheck, a cognitive assessment aid available for download as an app on iPhone and Android. HitCheck brings you fast, easy, personalized assessment aid to the sideline anywhere you play or practice. HitCheck is a proud supporter of the Typhus Safety Initiative. For more information about HitCheck, visit their website at hitcheck.com or by email at info@hitcheck.com. Fourth down and about 3 for the Hurricanes. Takes the snap, hands it off, comes to the near side, looking to turn the corner, and he's going to get hemmed in. Let's see if he can turn it and get to the outside. Gets pushed out of bounds. Let's see where they spot this at. And it'll be a first down for the Hurricanes. So got a question. When am I going to be on the breakdown?
Yeah, well, you'll be in San Antonio.
I'm always in San Antonio.
You're in San Antonio this Wednesday. You can come on.
I'm going to be in Houston on Wednesday.
Hey, whenever you in, y'all ain't going to the outside.
Takes the snap, fumble on the play, and that's going to be recovered by the Venom.
You live right now?
Yep, I'm live right now.
That's why y'all ain't going to the
I said Crystal. Nah. Keisha.
Wow, you just broke the man rule number 1. Wow. I am on live. I will expose. I'm like 2020. First down for the Venom. First down, under center, 3-back set. Wishbone formation takes a snap, and he's going to get hit right away. And once again, 55 gets in the backfield that time for the Hurricanes. That's going to be William Perkins. Second down and about 13. Under center. Takes the snap. They'll pitch it. Comes here to the near side, to the left side of the lines. Got some room. And he'll try to turn it up.
It'll be a good game, but they ain't going to be.
And he'll get wrapped up, taken down. Almost. Let's see if he got the first down or not. Looks like he did. First down for the Venom. First down for the Venom. Takes the snap, pitches it, and a bad pitch, and he's going to get caught in the backfield. Number 1 on the carry that time for the Venom. That's going to be Anderson, Joshua Anderson. Takes the snap. Quarterback keeper goes to the far side, turns it up the field. And he'll get wrapped up, taken down from behind, but he'll get back to near the original line of scrimmage, maybe over it. Penalty flag on the play. Face mask called against the Hurricanes. 15-yard penalty tacked on at the end of the run, automatic first down. So it puts the ball at about the 43-yard line of the Venom. Blue sky coming through finally. Takes the snap. Quarterback keeper tries to go up the middle, and he's not going to get there. As Corey Alvin Jr. on the stop that time for the Hurricanes. Quarterback under center. Brazil hands it off, comes here to the near side, 28 on the carry. Looking for some space, he'll turn it upfield. And he is off to the races. And he'll get tripped up from behind. Number 8 catches him from behind. Josiah Goodman, but not before Caden Walker takes it up the field to about the 18-19 yard line. Venom still playing hard. They're down 28-0. Okay, we've got an injury timeout on the field. .241 remaining in the game. As 28 after that nice run, Caden Walker exits the field. There we go. First down from the 19-yard line of the Hurricanes. Venom with the ball. They're down 28-0. Takes the snap, looks to hand it off, and he gets blown up the middle and taken down immediately. 55 on the stop. William Perkins on the stop, and we got an injured Hurricane. .24 the injured Hurricane. That's going to be Robert Harrison Jr. Up on his feet, head to the sidelines. 2:24 remaining in the game.